If I catch a doctor in a lie in a medical malpractice trial, do I pound it over and over and over again and show to the jury what a liar this guy is while I have him on the witness stand? Or do I do something different? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, here's the scenario. It's a medical malpractice trial. You've brought a lawsuit against a doctor, your doctor, claiming that he violated the basic standards of medical care and as a result caused you significant permanent injury. So now, during the course of trial, I will have an opportunity to question the doctor that you have sued. And during the course of questioning this doctor, I now catch him on a lie. I catch him in a lie compared to something that he testified about 2 years ago in this case, during pretrial testimony. Now, when I catch him in that lie, do I pound it over and over again to show the jury, look, what a liar this guy is. He lied about this. He lied about this. He lied about this. Do I do it with him still on the witness stand? The answer is, no, I don't. You want to know why? It's because if I catch the doctor in a lie and he's still on the witness stand, the more I keep harping on it over and over and over again, the more likely it is that the doctor is going to come up with some type of excuse about why his answer at trial is different than it was 2 years earlier during pretrial testimony. Doctor might say, oh, I just refreshed my memory this morning with some new documents that I saw. Oh, I remember now. My memory is really good now. And he'll come up with some excuse to explain away the inconsistency. And I don't want to give the doctor the opportunity to do that. So what do I do instead? The better strategy is, once I've clearly identified the inconsistency and showed that his testimony 2 years earlier is different than the testimony today, I now move on to another topic. I now move on to something else. I'm not going to highlight it and blow it up in front of the jury while the doctor's still on the witness stand and I'm still questioning him. Because if I did that, then the doctor could come up with some reason, some excuse to explain away to the jury why his answers are inconsistent. So you might be thinking, wait a second, so aren't I going to highlight that and use that during the course of trial? The answer is absolutely, but not while the doctor's on the witness stand. I'm more likely going to use that during closing arguments to show to the jury that this doctor's testimony is inconsistent. If the doctor has lied about one little thing, now the jury can infer that other parts of his testimony also are inconsistent. I will save this for closing arguments and then highlight to the jury how inconsistent the doctor was. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice trial here in New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions just like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.